Coverage turns now to Local 10 News reporter Ian Margle.
He talked with a local doctor about the vaccine. Ian?
So despite the CDC and the FDA saying, look, these are safe for kids, these young kids, Florida was the only state in the entire country to delay pre-ordering these vaccines, which is slowing down the distribution to doctors right here in our area. Last week, Governor Ron DeSantis actually said the Florida Department of Health recommended against the shots, going against the recommendations of the CDC, the FDA, and doctors all across the country. In fact, Florida's medical community has pushed back against his statement, saying he's wrong and he's putting kids at risk. So now, as pediatricians, hospitals, and health clinics here are ordering them for patients, they're unclear when they're going to get the shots. And they're also dealing with concerns and questions from parents, wondering if they should even get their kids the vaccine.
But what we have seen is that a high majority of the patients that have gotten very sick, critically ill, were not vaccinated. So we do think that there is protection with the vaccine from the severity of the disease. And I think that they bring up very good points, very valid points about, the vaccine's relatively new. We don't know much about the vaccine. Well, that's true, but we also don't know much about the virus also, meaning in its long-term effects on patients.
And he told me, look, the best way to protect from getting seriously ill is to get your kids vaccinated. And that's exactly what most pediatricians are recommending right now. And I spoke to several pediatric practices throughout our area. They said, look, we don't know when we're going to get them, but the best thing you can do is check in with your kid's pediatrician. You can check in with places like here at Nicholas Children's Hospital. They say they're going to be communicating through their social media when they get those vaccines in, and you should get that for your kids, they say, as soon as possible. Live at Nicholas Children's Hospital, I'm Ian Margle, Local 10 News.